Alright guys, I'm finally going to get to film this. We're at Sam's Club in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and we're gonna go ride the elevator. A big thank you to the manager for letting me film this. We have a ThyssenKrupp Endura. Let's go to 2. Here we go. Oh my gosh, that motor was epic. 1. Get a cab view real quick. It's a decent cab. It's a bit nice though for Endura MR. Yo, that motor was epic, not gonna lie. But since this is an employees only, actually, you know what? Since I got permission, let's take him a ride. Cause why not? We're just gonna make this real quick. Oh wow, that is epic. That motor was so epic. I feel like the MR version of the ThyssenKrupp Endura is much better than the MRLs. It actually runs really good for Endura MR. That is from 2016. Here back at 1.